Bless the Lord, everybody. Just want to share with everybody this morning. I want to say enjoy today, be blessed today. Let God just continue working in your life. You know, so many times we get up in the morning and we don't know how many people have died or whether we could be counted among that number. But I want to encourage you today, be blessed. Count your blessings, name them one by one, and give God the glory. Don't forget your children, don't forget your family, don't forget your relatives. Pray for them, because we each have our own journey. We each have pain that we go through. So I want to magnify God this morning. I want to give everybody my love, and I just want to say, be encouraged. No matter what you're going through today, be encouraged in Jesus' name.